Hello everyone, welcome to the Bonsai Life. Today I just want to prepare this huge sakura for air layering because I have this tree for about, this is third year I think, and I did prune her, but I was always counting with not like using whole like a one tree, but I did wanted to make like at least 3 trees out of it. So now I will prune everything really short, and I will keep in mind I will use the rest for air layering. So I'm going like really short with this tree. It will be a lot of cuttings, I think. So I think this will be my first air layer. This branch. This will be my first air layer. Here will be the second one. Here. And this will be the third one. So I will use my trunk like totally bare. I will make a new branches and make a small tree out of it. So I'm going like really short with this. This branch will have to go, and then later I will shorten it one more time after the air layering, after I get the new roots. So now I will take my knife and make a new air layers. So I will have to take this branch totally off so I can fit my air layer somewhere here. I can try to fit it here, but I don't have much space. Then I would have like shorter trunk, so I will take this off rather, use this as a cutting. This will be a good cutting. And now I will make my air layer here, the first one. Sun is shining into my eyes, I don't see anything. Oh, God. It's like pink. Scrape a layer just to get more to the cambium layer. Cut a bit more here on the upper part because there I will get the roots actually. So my roots will grow on this upper part. And I'm hoping till the end of the year I will have the air layer finished. Sakura grows the roots really quite fast when you give her perfect conditions. And here with me she have everything, so I don't think this can fail. Or if it fails, then I will just repeat the process till the next year, and then next year I will have it for sure. I don't expect any problems. So this is the first one, and this will be the second one. Like I could leave, if I didn't cut all the leaves and everything, I could get the roots much faster. But I want to use the cuttings as well. I don't want to just use the air layer. I will use the branches and I will try to make a forest out of it. So I'm hoping in few sakura trees next year. Forest out of red sakura would look, I think, really good. Small, like a Japanese park, like a Zen park. So I want to put some sakura trees, that small Japanese apples, and maybe some azaleas. So I will have like 3 flowering trees in one landscape. So now I will prepare my foil and my moss. If I can find some moss now, when I'm realizing I used the most of my moss on my ficus trees, so now I have to look for some moss. If I don't find the moss, then I will put just the pot here and here, and we will go with the pot and the bonsai substrate. So see you in a bit. So I find this old pot that I was using for some previous air layering, and because I cannot fit both two pots here and I don't have foil from Akadama soil that's the best to use for air layering, so I will use this one pot. Okay, so I will make a hole and I will sew these two parts with my bonsai wire. This is how it looks like. Here I have my two air layers, and now I will fill this with the moss. So I have my moss, some Akadama soil, some normal substrate, and here I will put the this is empty. A bit, and I will take a one paper napkin and I will cut this napkin into half, and I don't need the whole half, so I will cut it, let's say like this, and here. And I will wet this just a bit, and I will put this on my air layers around them. So this is first, and the second one can be a smaller one, doesn't matter. Point is just to slowly release that powder around the air layer. Usually I use only moss, but I have some of this mix. This will be good. Now I will water it in, let's say, 100 days. I will have my roots there. A bit more sphagnum moss. Now we'll put thorough watering and we are done. I will show you how did I progress with this in, let's say, 100 days, and we can check a new small sakura shohin size trees. So see you next time. My napkin is flying away, and see you. Bye bye guys.